Hi there, this is the puzzle guy, and today I have Trinity puzzle by Hanayama. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 6, and the goal of it is to take it apart and to assemble it again. Let's open the box. Inside, as always, you can find information about other Hanayama puzzles, description, but there is no solution included, and puzzle itself. Puzzle is made out of metal. It has 3 parts, and as I told already, we have to take them apart. Puzzle is pretty difficult, but what makes it difficult is design of each element. When you're looking for a solution, these elements designed in such a way that they block your way when you're trying to do something. When you're close to solution, you think that now I know how to solve it, but you can't move some of the parts because they're stuck. And to make the move, you have to make like random moves of other parts to make it unstuck. If you want to see the solution of this puzzle, you can keep watching the video, but if you don't want to spoil all the fun trying to solve this puzzle by yourself, stop watching now. To solve this puzzle, first we have to look at each piece a little bit closer. First, there is one piece with Hanayama name on it, one piece with Trinity name, and one no-name piece. Each piece has 2 parts. One is loop, and the other part consists of 2 heads, and there is a cutout between them. And as you can see, 2 parts are a little bit the same, almost the same, and the no-name part is a little bit different. So this is very important to solve the puzzle. So the first move to solve this puzzle will be to take the Trinity piece. I will take it in my left hand, and no-name piece in my right hand, and put Trinity piece through the no-name piece. And that's where it starts stacking, and it's become difficult. When you're looking for solution, you're kind of stuck and you think that okay, that was the wrong move, but actually this is the right move. You have just to push it a little bit, or just to make some random moves to unstuck it. The next what you have to do is to take the Trinity piece in your right hand and no-name piece in your left hand, and put the no-name piece inside Trinity piece like this. Now you have to grab the Hanayama piece and push its loop close to heads of other 2 pieces like this. And it's again pretty difficult because you have to find its way. It's not so easy. Now you have to turn the Hanayama piece up and the no-name piece. Next, what you have to do is to put the no-name piece through the Hanayama piece like this. And now we are really close to solution, end of solution. You have to put the no-name piece through Trinity piece, and the rest is just a piece of cake. Put the no-name piece out, rotate the Hanayama piece, and our puzzle is disassembled. To assemble it again, you have to take the Trinity piece and the Hanayama piece with their names up, and rotate Hanayama piece like this and put it inside the Trinity piece and rotate it like this. The next move, your Hanayama piece supposed to be with the sign down. Take the piece number 3. As you can see, there are two heads. One of them is smaller, another is bigger. So take it in your right hand so that the smaller head will be facing down, and put it inside the Hanayama piece. And now what you have to do is to move them and connect Trinity and no name piece from up here. Next, what you have to do is to put the no name piece through the Hanayama piece and rotate the no name piece here and the Hanayama piece as well. If it's stuck a little bit, you have to try to find its way to the bottom. Okay. The next move, you have to take the no name piece out of the Trinity, then take the Trinity piece in your left hand and the no name piece in your right hand and put the Trinity inside the no name piece. And again, it's a little bit stuck. You have to push the Hanayama piece and let the Trinity piece go its way. So that's it. Puzzle is assembled again. A little bit difficult solution, but it's more difficult to find it than to show it, because really when you are trying to find this solution, you're stuck in a few places and you think that, okay, this is the wrong move, I have to start from the very beginning. But actually it was the right move and you had to push it a little bit or to move all the parts to make it happen, to solve it. If you like this puzzle and my video, press like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. There's going to be many more different interesting puzzles. And press the bell button to be notified every time I upload new video.